With the core components of our sensors completed, the assembly process begins inside our main production facility. Products, primarily assembled under microscopes, are handcrafted by our over 500 technician workforce operating in our manufacturing centers. Each technician begins their journey spending the first 2 to 3 months of on-the-job training, learning key facets of assembly such as soldering, spot welding, epoxying, cleaning principles, and more. As technicians graduate from the training program, they are introduced into production work centers with mentorship by senior-level technicians, all supported by an in-depth audit program. PCB continues to invest in our assembly efforts, most recently adding ISO Class 7 and 8 clean rooms, affording for pressure and force sensor production to be formed under more rigorous environmental controls, improving product quality and performance.
These ISO Class 7 and 8 clean rooms utilize HEPA filtration systems to maintain air cleanliness levels of 10,000 and 100,000 parts per million respectively.
Additional laminar flow workstations create a 0 parts per million surrounding while products are being assembled, ensuring the highest level of integrity and accuracy.